Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you the finished cards from the paper pumpkin for May. So there was enough to make 9 cards, and I ended up making 13 cards. So let me go ahead and show you. We put these together at my online put together kit, or paper pumpkin put together class. We do it online via Zoom, and we always make them the way that they're supposed to be made. So they come with these nice envelopes that match really well, and then the card. So here's the first card, and again, that is made exactly the way it's supposed to be made. Here's the second card, and this is just the envelope. You know how I put my envelopes in there, so if you see a little bit of extra, it's envelope. This is the second card as it is supposed to be made. And then here is the third card as it is supposed to be made. So those are how we made those cards. Then we get together and we just make our own alternatives. So let me go ahead and show you what I made for an alternative. This is one. I took one of the papers and my own early espresso, and then I tore it right in half so the tears match up fairly smooth, but I was able to cover this one up. And then I just put this on some wild wheat and stamped in wild wheat. So there's that one. I had this piece was already just stuck in my stash of Pool Party, and that was one of the colors. So I ended up putting that on a piece of basic white. And then I made this one a sympathy card because it was so pretty. I used a piece of the envelope here. Oh yes, this is a piece of the envelope. I took one of the envelopes and I cut them down. And if you look at the envelope, I put the lid of the envelope on my envelope. So we've got that one. We've got the sympathy. That's just a basic white card. This one I thought was adorable. I took the piece of paper. This was a piece of paper, and I just cut it 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and then I just reversed them. And I think this came out so cute, and put it on a white, basic white. And then I used one of the tags, the basic white tags, and I added my own dots on there. So, and then I put a little bit of twine. Now I really liked this look, so you'll see that pattern pretty much. This one, super easy. I took some basic beige and cut early espresso down just a little bit. And then I just adhered this one, stamped welcome to the team. These were getting into my team, welcome to the team cards, obviously. So the next ones you'll see are going to be all welcome to the teams because I made these. And then today I finished off with these because I have 6 new team members. That's my entire team, but wanted to welcome them. So that includes my whole levels, not just me. So my rock star team and myself. So I love this one. I just think it's so pretty. It gives that great cutout look of wood and so nice. And then I added the embellishments. Same with this one here. I had some envelope. I still have a little bit of envelope left, but I stamped the envelope and cut it out with a modern punch. I used the bow punch to cut out some basic beige because it went really well. And again, there's that twine. And I had enough to use the really pretty wood envelope. And this one, again, so basic, but so pretty. I just used one of their tags, stamped welcome to the team in the misty moonlight that came with it. I used one of the card bases, and I put my own twine around it, or my own ribbon. And that is another team card. Now remember that one that I tore? Now I had that basic beige, or not basic beige, the early espresso larger piece and the wooden smaller piece. And I had one of these still left over. So I stamped welcome to the team, put this on there with some dimensionals and some dots. Super cute card, really easy. And then, oh, I still have two more. This one of my team members was at the paper pumpkin put together. That's like a tongue twister. The paper pumpkin put together. So if my name was Patty, I would be Patty's paper pumpkin put together. All right, good thing my name is Jean. Anyways, so basic beige again, because I thought it went so well. Stamped, added the dots. I had one of these wild wheat little guys still left over. Got this idea from one of my stamping beauties, Julie, and she had cut it down into 4 last night at the put together. And so I saw that and I loved it. So I decided to do the same thing. And we cut that, or I cut that, and then just put some twine behind it and stuck this with some dimensionals and another envelope. And then, oh, I still have 2 more cards. We've got this one, welcome to the team. I had some more of this left. This one I put some white twine and loved that. And then this one I put, this one I actually had. I had this welcome to the team just sitting in my stamp box. I must have stamped it and just had it in there. So that's why it's kind of round with the, with the, what is that called? Something gone, sectagon, but it's not, I don't know. Anyways, if you know, put it in the comments. You guys are always smarter than me. And then it had these leaves, and it just went perfect with the blue Night of Misty Moonlight ink, and then the pool party dots as well. So that's it. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys will take part in the paper pumpkin put together. I do it on the first Wednesday of every month, and I do it at 4 p.m. Arizona time, sometimes 5 p.m., but I let you guys know, and I give you guys the link to join me. Last night we were all across, we had people, we had from New York and Florida and then Arizona, so we have all over the United States, so you can join us from anywhere. I will put my paper pumpkin link in the description. If you'd like, you can always go to beautyandthestamper.com for more. And if you want to sign up for the June, you have until the 10th. So June 10th, go to beautyandthestamper.com, hit the paper pumpkin subscribe button, and you'll get more information. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.